Good afternoon, Logan 960 Lima Papa is climbing straight ahead, altitude 6,000 feet.
Logan 960 Lima Papa is going to Indonesia, with the sunlight 9 heading 230.
My head 330 degrees, Logan 960 Lima Papa.
It's 4 minutes.
960 Lima Papa, climb down to level 990.
Climb now, final 90, Logan 960 Lima Papa.
Ryanair 5X November, this is 960 knots from there.
10 knots, 5X.
'Oi! Just 'cause I get you in my video the other day. Saturday. Pedro.
Where?
Alright, Pedro.
Information, Golf, Bravo, Golf, Yankee, on sequence, on the 25. Yankee, you're still in, bro. Watch out, Golf, the Yankee.
Pedro, there's a Delta just going on me, go.
This is radar, good afternoon, Rhino 160, radar at 770, 778, next way. Lima and the radar, Roger, Victory ILS, 4.
Oi! Just because I get you in my video the other day, Saturday.
Report Musselburgh.
Pedro.
Where?
Alright, Ped.
Information Golf Bravo Golf India Yankee on frequency on route to site. India Yankee, you're still in, bro. Watch out, Golf India Yankee.
Pedro, there's a delta just going on Nico.
This radar, good afternoon, Ryder 160, radar at 770, 778, next way. Hey, almost Lima and the radar, Roger, exiting ILS from B24. Copy, sir. Good hour, good. Good, go, still with
This is the first time it's up early.